Children, welcome back to your VUPS e-learning class. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed the half of the exercises of your workbook of English literature in lesson 9 Beauty and the Beast part 1. Children, today I am going to complete the rest of the exercises of the same chapter lesson 9 Beauty and the Beast part 1. Children, so what you all have to do, you all have to fill with the help of pencil only and start writing in your English literature workbook. Lesson 9. Go through it. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. And write with the neat and clean handwriting, and please check the spellings that you have written. Write it neatly, nicely, properly, giving the proper space with the help of pencil, sharpen pencil. Okay, children. In this exercises, you have to uh, write it according to the sequence which I have completed. So start writing with your rest of the exercises of the same lesson 9 English literature workbook, children. Okay, children. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed in your page number 76 lesson number 9 Beauty and the Beast part 1 of your workbook. Now up to this third exercise, today I am going to continue with the next exercise. A proverb. Write the meaning in your own words. Many hands make light work. This is a proverb. Proverb means kahawat. Means many hands make light work means when many of the men works together, they make the work very easy. So this is the meaning of this sentence. So it will be written like this. It means it means that people can do things more quickly and easily when they work together. Okay, children. So this will be completed like this. I hope you all have understood this proverb. Come to the next. Discuss the sentences. Are they true? Sugar is always sweet. You all know it is true, na? So write down true in front of that. Cars are often driven fast. It is also true. A lawyer usually tells the truth. It is false. A cow never eats meat. It is also true. Come to the next exercise. Complete the following sentences using always, often, usually, or never, and use one of the phrases at the bottom of the page. So, first one is given a fountain pen. A fountain pen you have to use always, often, usually, or never. So, and you have to add these small phrases also, na? So you can write it like this: a fountain pen often contains black ink. Contains black ink is given in the below. So it will be completed like this: contains black ink. Okay. An envelope always made of paper. A library always contains books. Always contains book. Books. Okay. A shirt always made of cotton. A goat always eat leaves. A baby always cries loudly. A good policeman never take a bribe. Bribe means rishwat. A vegetarian never eats meat. A stool never has three legs. As you all know, na? A sentence always ends with a full stop. A doctor always work in hospital. Works in hospital. All know, na? A priest always tells the truth. So children, what you all have to do? You all have to fill these exercises with the help of pencil in your workbook, up to which today I have completed from this proverb to up to this. So write it neatly, nicely using pencil. Don't use pen. It will make your work untidy. So use only pencil. And what is your homework for today? To learn these exercises properly. If you feel any problem, ask me in the class group personally also children. Thank you, beta.